Is it the right time to make a decision about your Exxon stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Exxon. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, December 12, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments. Improve your trading decisions with the help of our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 22, 2023, our system has identified Exxon as a sell candidate, with a score of negative 3.14. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of negative 5.73%. This translates to an average daily loss of negative 0.41% since it was listed as a sell candidate. Currently, the stock is experiencing a downward trend, indicating a potential further decline in the short term. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected minus 15.42% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between minus 19.02% and minus 12.08%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected minus 3.67% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between minus 5.23% and 17.14%. In other words, the stock price may range from $92.92 to $114.85 after 12 months. Our latest update on Exxon's stock price reveals that it ended at $98.05 on Tuesday, experiencing a decrease of 1.58%. On Tuesday, December 12, 2023, Exxon's stock price fell from $99.62 to $98.05, marking a decline of 1.58%. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $97.49 and a high of $98.68, with a 1.23% variation. In the past 10 days, the stock has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in a total decrease of 5.63%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased alongside the stock, which is generally considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 1 million shares on the last day, with a total of 21 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.04 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, Exxon stock reached a peak price of $126.54 and a lowest price of $97.49. As of now, the current price is 22.51% or $28.49 below the 52-week high of $126.54, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings. On Friday, November 10, 2023, Piper Sandler upgraded ExxonMobil with an overweight grade and placed a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Bernstein gave ExxonMobil an outperform grade and a hold action. On Friday, October 27, 2023, CFRA upgraded ExxonMobil with a buy grade and an upgrade action. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Bernstein gave ExxonMobil an outperform grade with an initialize action. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Wells Fargo upgraded ExxonMobil with an overweight grade and a hold action. According to analysts, Exxon stock has received a general rating of strong buy. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratios are also rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we're going to take a closer look at Exxon's stock signals. Unfortunately, there aren't many positive signals for Exxon at the moment. In fact, both the short and long-term moving averages indicate a sell signal, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. When the stock experiences corrections and moves upwards, it may encounter resistance at the price levels of $99.66 and $103.87. However, if the stock manages to break above these levels, it could potentially issue buy signals. On Thursday, October 19, 2023, a sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by minus 13.25%. According to the analysis, there might be further decline until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. However, it's worth noting that the volume of trading also decreased along with the price during the last trading day. This suggests that the overall risk is reduced, as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal 38 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 50 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 47 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 29 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 29 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Exxon. When it comes to support, there is no accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock may perform poorly in the next couple of days. So, it's important to keep an eye on this. However, on a positive note, Exxon is usually traded at a good volume, which means there is liquidity in the market. Additionally, the stock experiences minor daily changes, indicating a lower level of risk. Taking a look at the recent volatility, we can see that in the last day, the stock moved $1.20, 1.23%, between its high and low points. Over the course of the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.76%. This gives us an idea of how much the stock price can fluctuate on a daily basis. Before we explore potential trading levels for Exxon, let's start by discussing some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio might suggest a pessimistic outlook for the company's future or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.21. Pay close attention to these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Today, we're going to explore some potential day trading levels for Exxon. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $99.11. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. However, if you already have shares, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't significant support from accumulated volume below. This means that under certain conditions, the stock could potentially drop sharply. If you decide to proceed, exercise caution and consider placing bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. According to multiple analyst sources, Exxon has a strong buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 4, 2023, Karen T. McKee conducted an insider sell of 4,548 shares of common stock. On December 4, 2023, Liam M. Mallon conducted an insider sell of 7,693 shares of common stock. On December 4, 2023, John M. Gibbs conducted an insider sell of 2,076 shares of common stock. On December 4, 2023, Leonard M. Fox conducted an insider sell of 4,880 shares of common stock. On December 4, 2023, Darren L. Talley conducted an insider sell of 1,783 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 28.889. Overall, insiders purchased 16,590,832 shares and sold 2,311,531 shares in the last 100 trades. Our evaluation of this stock is negative, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Exxon stock a good buy? Unfortunately, Exxon currently holds several negative signals and is experiencing a falling trend. Based on our analysis, we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. However, it's worth noting that our systems have found that the current price of Exxon is undervalued, based on the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Looking ahead to Wednesday, December 13th, we anticipate Exxon to open up with a positive gain of $0.0217 and start trading at $98.07. Before we dive into the content, it's important to keep in mind that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.